In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Outlook Calendar on Google. We're going to take your Outlook Calendar and display it in Google Calendar using a standard ICS link so you can see all your events together in one place. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Outlook Calendar website. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your Outlook account so you can access your calendars. Once you're in the calendar view, look for the settings gear in the top right corner and open it. From there, go into the calendar settings area, then find the section called Shared Calendars. In Shared Calendars, locate the Publish a Calendar area. This is where you'll generate a link that Google Calendar can read. Use the drop-down to choose which Outlook calendar you want to share. If you have multiple calendars, make sure you pick the specific one you want to appear in Google. Next, choose the permission level that matches what you want to show. For example, you can publish only your availability or publish all event details. Keep in mind that this affects what anyone with the link can see, so pick the level that's right for you. When you're ready, select Publish. You'll see two types of links, HTML and ICS. Click the ICS option. ICS is the format that Google Calendar can subscribe to. Then copy the ICS link to your clipboard. If you see a copy button, use that to make sure you get the entire link exactly as provided. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, find Other Calendars, click the plus icon next to it, and choose from URL. In the field that appears, paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook. Double check there are no extra spaces before or after the link. Then click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will subscribe to that Outlook feed and add it under Other Calendars. It may appear with the same name as your Outlook calendar, and you can change the color in Google to help distinguish it. Remember, this method is read only from Google's side. You'll keep editing events in Outlook, and changes will sync to Google automatically. Sync speed depends on Google's refresh schedule and may take some time, so don't worry if updates don't appear instantly. If you don't see the publish option in Outlook, it may be restricted by your organization's admin. Otherwise, that's it. You've successfully shared your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar and can view everything in one place.